three simple words, ancient and clear. A path walked by the awakened.
Avoid the shadows born of greed. Let every word and action heal. Walk with kindness step by step, until compassion becomes real.
Do the good with open hands, not seeking praise, not seeking fame. Every seed of selfless love burns a little less of me and mine.
Yet good and evil rises one, measured by the self we keep.
Right and wrong are passing waves, dancing on the surface deep. Beyond the mirror of the mind, beyond the stories we defend, there is a silence without sight, where all divisions gently end.
Purify, not by adding more,
not by building walls of belief.
let every concept fall away,
Releasing every hidden grief.
when nothing's held, the heart is free, like the moon upon a quiet sea.
No chains of thought,
No need to prove,
only boundless peaceful truth. Nothing gained and nothing lost, nothing measured, nothing crossed. In the stillness clear and bright,
awakening shines as its own light.
the thinking mind creates 1,000 names. The silent heart needs none.
Clouds may wander through the sky, yet never stain the sun. Nothing new is ever born, nothing true can disappear.
When every view is gently laid aside,
Reality itself is hidden.
avoid the evil born of greed.
Do the good where others need.
Purify the grasping mind, leave no trace of self behind.
This is not a distant place, nor a prize that time can bring.
When all attachment falls away, the heart remembers every free.
Avoid evil,
Do good,
purify the mind. Unbecoming,
only awakening. This is the nature of enlightenment.